on guys? Daryl Eklund. Welcome to Motocross Action's YouTube channel. We're here with the 2017 Suzuki RMZ 250F. Now, the bike looks a little different. Mainly aesthetics has changed on this bike. Motor, the same. Suspension, the same. It's unfortunate because this bike rated 6 in our 250 shootout last year, which was last. The bike's really easy to ride. Suspension's decent. It's just not powerful, and that's what we really need out of a 250F is power. The aesthetic changes on this bike are the black rims, yellow seat cover, yellow fender, black side panels, and black fork guards, and also the black triple clamps. We're gonna get Dennis Stapleton, our chief test rider, out on the track, do some laps, and come back and give you some feedback.
Dennis Stapleton here, Motocross Action Magazine. This bike is really neutral, really easy for most people to ride. Last year, it wasn't a front runner due to power, but it's so easy to ride that the general public seems to like it. The chassis works well, nimble, easy to turn, still feels lightweight when riding it. Not a lot of updates though. Still overall, the same bike as last year. Look for upcoming test, motocrossactionmag.com, or pick up the newest issue of Motocross Action Magazine.